If you don't save this information, you're potentially setting yourself up to perform the work 2 times. Building a workable process in auto repair and ADAS starts with gathering information and saving it for later usage.
So we might want to save this as a PDF. As an image, this is probably overkill. We save it as a PDF, and then we can attach it right to our work order here. We would just PDF it and attach it to our work order like so. This way we always have access to it, and we can refer back to it later on should it be necessary. Now going back into our documentation, let's go into zone alert description and operation. Here we review all the information that GM has and understand more about the system and what may need to be done or not. As always, we save our PDF so we have our information.